Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As usual, I have another amazing detailed video for you guys today. Based on the looking at the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you how to level up, and also leveling up that aids you to increase your tax and earn more on the Poppo live stream. So for you guys who do not like the 2000 points that Poppo is giving you, you feel it's too small, I have found the solution to that. So if you know you are capable of doing that, then you can go ahead and do that. So guys, I have to appreciate you, or you all are doing well. For those of you that are always smashing the like button, that those of you that are subscribing, if you're new, that are watching my video, you are dropping your comments and asking questions, you guys are all interacting on my channel, I really appreciate you all. I believe you all are gaining something in return. So without wasting your time, let's just get to the video. I'll be taking you into the app to show you how you level up, where you need to see how you're going to level up, how to level up to increase your tax, and everything that has to do with it. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Do not skip any part of this video, because in each part you're skipping, there might be important details that you might be missing out on. That like button, smash the like button, and if you have not subscribed up to this moment, do subscribe, because you'll be gaining information from this video here and there. And when you click on the bell icon, you'll be notified whenever I post amazing videos and informative videos on the YouTube app concerning Poppo app stream, where you earn daily. So without wasting your time, let's just get straight to the video. So what I'm going to be showing you right now is how to level up. How do you know if you want to level up? What is required for you to level up on the Poppo live stream app, and how do you go about it? So guys, if you're on your dashboard, you should be familiar with everything here already, your reward center and all that. So this is where you'll be going to. This is the level you're right here. When you tap on this level, it's going to show you your word level and the live stream level. So let's just go straight to it so you can understand better. So when you tap on the level, this is where it's going to take you guys to. It's going to show you the coins required that you require for you to enter the next level. Not just you buying the coins to put in your coin user account, but you sending gifts with the coins determines the level you're going to enter. For example, if you see me here, I am in level 6, meaning I've spent over 100,000 coins in gifting. Let me explain that to you. So if you want to be in level 1, or if you are already in level 1, it means you've not spent any coin to gift anybody. For you to enter level 2, you have to either gift somebody 3,000 worth of coins, or do exchange with the person with 3,000 worth of coins. That's where you enter level 2. Likewise, level 3, you have to gift out 6,000 coins. For level 4, 16,000 coins, exchange or gift it out to somebody for you to enter the next level. Remember that if you gift out such amount of coins, 70% will be going to you and 30% will be going to the app. Sometimes you might be like, I have gifted out 16k coins, so why am I not in the next level? It means you've gifted out that coins, but it might have not gotten to the 16k, you understand? Because maybe 70% has gotten to the to you, then 30% has gone to the app, so it might have not gotten to the level, based on if some people have these issues when doing their leveling up. So level 5, you have to gift out 66k coins, and I am currently in level 6, as you can see here in my picture here, because I have spent up to 166,000 coins. And if you see here, this bar is calculating our coins. Yeah, it's calculating the amount of gifts you are gifted, because if you look up here, you will see your wealth level and the live stream level. Wealth level simply means the amount of gifts you are gifting in the on the app. Live stream level is the amount of gifts people are giving to you. Do you understand? So that's just basically it. So yeah, it means I've spent over 300,000 coins on this app, and I'm almost getting to the level 7. If I do 26,987 worth of exchange, I'll be entering level 7. That's just what this means here. Let me take this away so it will not confuse you, all my this thing. Okay, so guys, current coins means the amount you have used, and this year distance to upgrade means the amount that remains for you to use for you to be able to upgrade. So that's just basically it. If you want to level up, it's just for you to come to the dashboard, look at the amount of coins you require to enter the next level, and you keep leveling up as usual. It's endless. If you keep scrolling, it's endless. So that's all about the wealth level. When you tap on the live stream level, it's also going to tell you the same thing, the amount of gifts people are going to give. So imagine now I'm in live stream level 4 because people have been gifted over 378,000 coins on this app, and people still need to gift me over 251,000 coins for me to enter live stream level 5. If I want to do exchange, this exchange can also help me out to enter the next level. So it depends on me. If I want to increase my level, I will just be doing a lot of exchange. But some people might not want to, they might not try gifting you a lot because you don't gift them or sort like that, based on some attitudes on the app. So basically this is how you level up on the app. So let me take you to the thing that made me to do this video. But before that, guys, just know you are going to be purchasing these coins to do the exchange. It's not just going to be automatic like that. You have to purchase the amount of coins for you to do the exchange, for your level to increase and your live stream level to increase. Note that your live stream level, if it increased to a certain percentage, your tax will increase. So that's where we are going to now. Please, if you have watched to this moment and you have not liked and subscribed on my channel, how about, are you not gaining something? Please just return the favor by liking. You share the video to everybody that needs the video. You subscribe to my channel, drop a wonderful comment, and ask any questions at all that is disturbing you. I'll be ready to answer you all. So let's move to the next part of the video. Alright guys, so I've tapped back. So we are going to be dealing with the reward center now. So let's tap on the reward center. Alright, so to those of you who feel the 2,000 points that we are being gifted with our daily live stream is too small, I have brought the solution for you. This is where we are going to go to, so I can explain what you need to do. Just like I said earlier on, if you are capable of doing this, guys, you can go ahead and doing it. But if you can't, please do not stress yourself. It's either you manage the coins you're being gifted, or you just find another means of earning on the app. So guys, you see where you have the level up rules here. Level up rules, we are going to be tapping there, so I can basically explain all you'll be doing that will increase your tax for you to earn. When you tap the level up rules, this is what is going to show to you. This is where our target is, guys. So you can see here, you will see you have 100,000, 3,000 per hour, and all that. So guys, to all of you that feel that the 2,000 points is too small for you, this is what you have to do, and this is what this means. If you look below here, you will see 100,000 coins. What does this simply means is that somebody has to gift you 100,000 coins for you to earn 3,000 points per hour, and you'll be doing this 3 hours in a day. How do I mean? What do I mean? You know you'll be on level C, if that is going to be possible. So if you know your 2,000 is too small for you, it's either somebody gives you within the specific or the duration of time we are giving to work on this app to earn, fast from 5 p.m. to 5 p.m. Nigeria time. If you can get someone to gift you 100,000 points, or if it is not possible that somebody can gift you, if you can purchase the coin 100,000 above and do exchange with somebody, you will be given 3,000 per hour for your daily live stream, and you'll be added 2 hours extra, making it 3 hours. So when you get to your reward center, you will no longer be seeing 2,000 per hour, you will see 3,000 per hour daily live stream 60 minutes, and you also see 3,000 per hour again daily live stream 120 minutes. At the same time, you will see 3,000 per hour again daily live stream for 180 minutes, meaning you'll be doing that normal live stream that you are doing just 1 hour to get 2,000. You'll be doing it, you do it for 3 hours, and that way they will give you 9,000 points with your gainings or your earnings from this crown seats. From the crown seat that you are going to be doing your crown seat tax, you get, I think, 1,006. So if you sum it up, that is $1.16. So if you know you can do this, guys, you can go ahead. It's the same thing as this 250,000 coins you that is here for you to be in level B. If somebody can gift you, or you can buy coins worth this amount and do exchange, you'll be giving 5,000 per hour, and you'll be added extra 3 hours. So you'll be going live for 3 hours, just normal live stream for 3 hours. And if you what they call it, do this, you'll be paid 5,000. So if you calculate it, you see that the earning is bigger. So if you know you are capable of spending, or you know that somebody can gift you this much, if you have a gifter, then it's possible you'll be earning more on this app. same goes with the 600,000 coins, same goes with the 1,300,000 coins. This one is actually making sense. You'll be getting 15,000 per hour live stream, and this will be 5 hours. It's no longer going to be 3 hours. They're both 5 hours, so it's going to be smooth. And if you calculate that, you'll be getting $7.50 if I'm not mistaken. So guys, if you can do the exchange, if you can get a gifter that will do this for you, then you can earn more on the app. That is just basically how you earn more on the app. But guys, there is one thing concerning this. If you do the exchange, once it's 5 p.m, this stuff is gonna drop. You'll be returned back to your ordinary tax. So let me explain this in the next video that I'll be doing shortly. For this part, guys, I'm going to be either opening a party, or I'm going to be opening the live stream to explain it to you. So please do not go away from the video now. Do not skip. Make sure you watch to the end, and make sure you like and subscribe, guys. I'll really Alright guys, don't mind my face. This is majorly where our focus is. You can see above here, you see ordinary is equals to 60 minutes and you'll be getting 2,000 per hour. Yeah, and you can see 0 and 100,000. This is basically what I want to show you. So perhaps you do the exchange. This bar you can see up here will be full. For us, you have done more than 100k exchange, it will be full, and you will see that it will show you that you've gotten to level C. Instead of the ordinary you see there, you will see level C, and you will see it to change to 3,000 per hour. So guys, that is how you do your tax for about 3 hours and get your $1.16 in just one day. But if you are done with this by 5 p.m, guys, Nigerian time, this thing's gonna drop back. It's no longer gonna be the way it is before. Perhaps you're seeing 100k coins right now, you've gotten past 100k coins. By 5 p.m, you either be seeing 90 something or 70 something. It means you have to do another exchange. So guys, it's just like wasting your money. That's why I didn't want to tell you this in the beginning of the video. But for those that they feel they can use money to get money on this app, so if you know it's not going to affect you, you can go ahead and do this. So that's basically what I want to show you. It drops every 5 p.m, so you have to do another exchange to meet up to that percentage again, and for your tax to increase. So guys, that's basically it. If there is any other question you have that you feel I've not mentioned in the video, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll be ready to come and make other videos concerning it or answer you personally. That's just the end of my video for today. I know it can be very long, but guys, I really appreciate if you watch to the end because it's very detailed. Yeah, so guys, I'll be seeing you in my next video where I'll be teaching you why you should stop wasting your coins on the Poppo app, or what are the things that eat your coins up on the Poppo live stream app. So guys, till next